Hi, I'm Jackson.
And I'm David.
It is December 5th, and welcome to The Tag.
Yep.
Welcome to Faxing with Jackson. We only got one for you today, but it is very good. We're going to have some pictures to go along with it. This fact is the objectively best thing on the internet: medieval paintings of animals. Check out this one of a horse. There's also this one of a cat. There's a cat over there as well. Get this one of the big one that looks like Chunky Garfield. There's so much more. I encourage you to go down this rabbit hole by yourself and see what you can make of it.
Today's national days are
International Ninja Day.
and
International Volunteer Day.
so
If you are a ninja, volunteer at a few local soup kitchens. Do something. Be better. Be a
yeah.
better person. I see you. You're sitting alone. You're like doing nothing with your life. Be better. Volunteer right now. Check out some highlights from our basketball teams over the past week.
Yo, YBH. Slide, we ride, we glide. 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 Slide, 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 slide. Had to sit down and think with it. I go hard in the paint with it. Double wig and get hit with this same tripping. I was stuck in the way, no back.
The varsity team also has a game today at 5 o'clock at Victory Worship Center. So make sure to come out and support your team.
Let's go, Trailblazer Nation. No, you know what this is? This is one of those things that people use to get the boiled eggs out of the pot.
Okay, today's lunch is grilled cheese, chicken noodle soup, fruit, dessert, and a drink. Cut that out. We have a personal hygiene drive going on until December 14th. It is to help support the families and community of Winona Elementary School. You can deliver those items to your classroom, or they can be dropped off at the Whitney House. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
We have another drive, the Mason's Toy Box Drive. Bring a new or unwrapped toy to the school. Put it in one of those little drop boxes. Donate financially directly to Mason's Toy Box, or purchase gifts for ACS-sponsored Lindley family via Amazon to be directly sent to their family, accepting donations through December 16th.
Sign them off, Jackson.
Can't keep a straight face, but
I mean, that's
Bye.
Bye.